don't do that because it's not tucked in the front. So let's try that again, okay? So I'm gonna take it. Hello YouTube, I'm back. Today I'm going to show you all how to go from this to a beautiful hairstyle. And what I'm going to do, these are curls that I had locked in. If you all follow me, you all saw where Dee-Saw locked my curls in. She did a great job. But I've gotten all the wear out of these that I can wear. But what's going on is I have somewhere to go and I don't have time to shampoo and condition my hair. So I'm going to show y'all how to go from this to a beautiful hairstyle in less than 5 minutes, but no more than 10 minutes. And so what I got going on here is I got all these curls. I could just take them, honestly, and I could do this, and I could pull them back, and I could pin it up pretty like this or so, you know, like something like this back, and touch up this gray. But I'm like, no, this is it. I've had all I can get out of this. But it really hell, I got like 12 to 14 days out of this. I have to count back to be exact. This needs to go into a ponytail without me washing it. So what I'm gonna do is, this is gonna be my best friend. This brush, I'm gonna wet it, brush my hair down, I'm gonna comb it through with this. I got some gray going on here because I'm going to pull it back because I'm putting on a headband wig, right? So I'm going to have to touch up this gray. I'm going to use this. If you all wear makeup, but you may not want to, I'm going to say you could use your hairline. When guests don't live at home, I used to use their eyeliner. They didn't know it sometimes. But you just can take this here and you go touch up with this. Or, let me show y'all this. I have some Headband Natural Black for the edge control. So what you want to do, and I don't know why I put on, I fold this turtleneck down, y'all. So we're gonna pull these sleeves up just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little water in this sink. And what I like to do with my hair is just take this brush and I'm just gonna brush it out enough to make a ponytail. That's what we're gonna do, okay? And I'm just gonna start here in the back and you're just gonna brush it all down. And see, this way you're getting ready and you're gonna be ready to go, girl. You could just wash it, you know, if you want to, but I don't have time because I don't like to wash my hair without conditioning it. So I'm just gonna brush it down. And I'm tender-headed, y'all. I've been tender-headed my whole life. My mom used to do my hair and she's very heavy-handed. And so you're just gonna do that. Start at the back and come down. Don't try to go all the way through because you're gonna pull your hair out. So y'all see how I start at the bottom and then just come up and you can feel it as you come up. And I know somebody gonna say, you could have shampooed it by now, sweet pea. Could have, but you know how when you shampoo, you start scratching, and it's gonna take longer than the amount of time that I have for what I'm trying to do. So this is what I'm gonna do. And the goal is to get it slicked down well enough to put into a nice ponytail. What y'all think? Think I'm ready for a ponytail now? Okay. Now, got it all brushed all back. So now I need a nice thick rubber band. Some of y'all like ponytail holders. I don't like ponytail holders. That's not my thing. I come up in the day, I'm a rubber band girl. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this nice rubber band right here that I have. Then I got my brush. Y'all make sure y'all get a real good brush, okay? And I brushed it all out. It's not tangled. So when I do get ready to shampoo it, it's gonna be real easy for me to shampoo. So I'm just gonna do this here and gonna put this like this. And you could do your edges first to brush it in, but I'm gonna do this. And you'll put a nice ponytail with the rubber band here. And what I do is I tuck a little of the hair so it won't show like that. Now, thin neck, if you have gray hair, so y'all share this with your aunt and with your grandma, okay? Now, if they have one of these, you can take this right here and just, okay? If you want to use this one, or if you want to use some of this Headband Natural Black, it works just as fine. If you don't want to get it all on your hands, just take this and put it in here and just do this. Y'all gonna say, Auntie, I got something to show you. My husband said, you just be showing folks everything. I said, on YouTube, you have to, or they won't watch, okay? So, after you've done that, and you gupped it all on there, and placed it around like that, then you're gonna take this nice little damp brush that you have. Y'all got to show Auntie and Granny how to hook it up, okay? The hair just had to be laid, right? Then I'm gonna take the comb to sort of Bam, no more gray. Okay, now, and look. Okay, now we're gonna take, this is the wig Dominique. Y'all watch her. She did a full tutorial on this wig. A company sent it to her. They not sponsoring me, so y'all can check her out on her site, but I'll link it below. I've already shampooed it, I've conditioned it, and it's lovely. Y'all look like this. Let's put this pretty baby on. Y'all see I got my nice ponytail here. So you're gonna take this. It has the nice headband on it, combs on the inside here. It has this nice little band also here for extra, you know, tightness and everything. The last time I wore this wig, Dominique told me that I had it back too far on my head. So let's see this time if we can get it on right. So you're gonna take your wig, you got a comb in the front, two on the side, you're gonna lock it in, you got one in the back. And what I like to do is I always start at the back. That way I know I pull it up far enough. So I'm gonna take this one first. That's just what I like to do. And I'm gonna slide it on here. And I'm gonna tuck this first. Back comb in the back here. I'm gonna tuck that one. So you're gonna take it. You're gonna slide it. You're gonna take this comb, tuck that comb right up under that ponytail, and then you're gonna hold it in the front and throw it back. Okay, let's not do what I just did because it came off. Then you have these nice combs on the side. So you're gonna tuck them, one there, and you're gonna tuck one here. And remember I said I started with the back? That way you know you have your wig positioned properly. And then to put your hand under here and feel this nice little comb and tuck it in. And so then I have this nice band that's on here. And we're gonna go back here and we're gonna secure that in place. And honestly what I'm gonna do, because I wanna make sure mine is tight, I'm actually tying it where you can put it with the Velcros. But I just cross tied mine and then I connected the Velcros to make sure that my wig stays on my head. And look at here. Isn't she lovely? I wish I should have showed y'all the clock. I'm going to see this nice little wet wig brush here, and you can brush it out. This is a very nice wig, y'all. The company sent it to her. Very nice, very nice. Okay, but I'm feeling this. If it's too big for you, you can take it actually and put some of it up, you know, in a ponytail or whatever. But I'm gonna rock it like this today. What y'all think? Y'all like it? I love it. Put your earrings on, lip gloss, do y'all eyebrows. Y'all know how y'all do it. And look at there, and I'm ready to go. So y'all, this is what I need for you to do. I need for you to hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Pow! Leave me some comments. Tell me how I did, okay? And hey, let's get a Q&A going. How Sweet Pea look? I think I look good. What y'all think? Hugs and kisses to everybody. Mwah. Sweet Pea, love y'all. Love yourself. Love on somebody else. Hope everybody is enjoying their new year so far. See you next time.